My name is Natalya, and I'd like to share my feedback on my course with London Speech Workshop. I wanted to improve my speaking skills for my job, as I have to speak and present regularly and want my listeners to understand my research and reasoning. English is not my mother tongue, so I wanted to soften my accent too. Taster session helped me understand that simple techniques can improve the effectiveness of my speech and influence my listeners. I had never done any accent work before, and I learned about the difference between English sounds and my native Russian. And after completing a 10 sessions course, which was a hard work, I have made improvements and gained insights. So the accent softening process is so complicated, a bit like dancing the tango with two left feet at first. I had to learn to hear and pronounce new sounds, form new habits, and break habits from my first language, which influenced the way I spoke English for many years. My coach, Olivia, was supportive, educated, and attentive. I enjoyed every second of my learning. I will miss her so much. And of course, I will continue my training with all the helpful resources, recordings, and manuals from LSW. This course significantly affected the clarity of my speech, and I got positive feedback from my friends and colleagues, even without asking for it. I would recommend London Speech Workshop courses to anyone and think the program should be included in schools and universities. Thank you very much.